Adding Tacoma stickers and decals still a thing? Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Robmotive. So are adding stickers and decals, you know, little personalized touches to Tacomas, is it still a thing? You know, I have a few on mine. We can take a little look around here, and this is on my Tacoma, of course. And you can see for me, it's more channel type stuff, right? I mean, you can see the Robmotive decal or sticker there, and of course I have one over there. Same thing over here on the Tundra. We've got one over there in the corner. And then if we walk back and look at the Jeep, of course I have the personalized badge on the side, but that's kind of a stock thing, really. But over here on the back of the Jeep, same thing, got a few on there. All really channel related for me. But I remember not too long ago, stickers and decals were a big thing on Tacomas. You know, I've seen lots of people post up questions and then showing off what they've got on theirs. So I'm curious, is that still a thing? Are people still doing that? And the reason I bring it up is because I'm getting ready to add another one to mine. I'm actually going to be removing one of the Robmotive stickers that are on there right now and adding this. Of course, it is channel related. Because, you know, I've got to pub the channel. So anyway, leave a comment, let me know. Are you big into stickers and decals and things? Is that still something people are doing out there? I'd be curious to know. But let's go ahead, we're going to add this one on, and then you guys can let me know what you think. Okay, what I've decided to do, I've got two on the truck. Of course, they're exactly the same. I'm going to remove this one, I think, because the one I'm going to put up, I think that is the appropriate location. Now, the thing that I love about stickers or decals, aftermarket or personalized ones, not the kind that you buy from or get from the manufacturer, is when they're on glass, and that's really the only place that I'll put them, unless they're magnetized and can just sit on the paint, if you will, is all you need is a razor blade to kind of grab a corner and pull them off. So let's see how easy that is to do on the Robmotive sticker here. Feel a little bad about taking it off, actually, but you know, progress. That came off, or at least the beginning part of it, pretty well with the razor blade, and it should. It's glass, right? But let's see how the sticker itself comes off of here. And I'll probably stick this somewhere else, you know, in the garage. It'll be some sort of a decoration or something. Well, there you go. And I didn't even damage it getting it off. So I can reuse this, like I said, somewhere in the garage. And of course, you got to know, I'm going to do that. Now, there was a little bit of adhesive left on there. We're just going to kind of see if I can scrape that off. And that was pretty easy. Clean it up so that we can get good adhesion for the next one. Matter of fact, I'll probably just go all around the edge. And I'm probably actually spreading adhesive around in doing that. There you go. I think that's pretty good. So now I got to clean the window off. Let me do that, and then we'll place the new sticker or decal. Okay, got it all cleaned up. Pretty simple. I'm going to use a piece of painter's tape. This is 1-inch painter's tape as I guess a spacer, because I'm going to put the sticker right up above that. So let's go ahead and get that placed. There's a little bit of a lip down here on the glass. I guess I'll kind of use that to line this up. I know I'm probably making this way more complicated than it needs to be, but hey, when you're gonna do it right, you know? That way when it's done and you're looking at it, you're not going, oh man, it's crooked, and it probably still will end up being crooked, I mean, if I'm being honest, but there you go. And then of course, the sticker, here's the big unveiling. That's what I'm gonna put on there. And actually, I think that might be a little too high. I kind of discounted or forgot about the gap between where the letters are going to be and the actual decal itself. So I don't think I want it that high. So forget about my little spacer. I'm going to just get rid of that. And I think what I'm going to do is put it down here at the bottom like this, and that will get it high enough for what I want. So just somewhere in the edge like that. This, of course, is one of those decals where the back peels off and then the letters will remain after they get stuck to the surface. So let me see if I can get the top coating off, or actually it's the bottom cover, I guess, and then we'll stick it up there. Got the back off. Now the trick, of course, is to place this thing evenly, I believe. So grab my rag here. I think that's pretty good. For spacing, that is, you know. Hopefully no bubbles in the letters, because you know that would be a drag. I don't think I see any, so that's a win for me. Now, the next challenge, of course, is to pull the front cover off without pulling the letters off. Shouldn't be any big deal, I don't think. I've had good luck with these so far. Oops. I say that, and first one pulls off. That's not good. Let's start over here with the YouTube logo. Alright, that was a little more difficult than it should have been, I think. Hopefully that doesn't foreshadow a problem with them staying on, I hope. Should be okay, I hope. They are adhesives, so they're not static or anything, in case you're wondering. Maybe with the heat and stuff here in a little bit, it'll get much hotter today. I think it's 83 degrees now. It'll heat them up a bit and they'll stick better. But there you go. That's what they look like, or what it looks like. And I think it came out pretty straight. It looks pretty straight to me. Again, just a little channel advertising. Plus, I kind of like it. I think it's kind of cool. Got my window dirty, of course, with fingerprints. But there it is. I'll step down. We'll look at it from the back of the truck. Okay, here's a shot of it from the back of the truck. I think it's an eye catcher, and you know, that's the general idea, right? Obviously, I'm trying to direct people to the channel, and I think it really pops. And I gotta tell you, the reason that I know that it really pops is because of my wife. You see, last night, we went to the McDonald's, and for dinner, of course, you know, a nice healthy dinner. And I didn't tell her that I had put similar decals or stickers on the back of my other two trucks, particularly the Tundra. So we pulled out of the driveway, and immediately she commented on that sticker. And I gotta say, typically she doesn't notice stuff like that. So it really does pop, and I think will satisfy, you know, ultimately what I'm trying to do with it. And I think it looks pretty cool. I like it. So anyway, leave a comment, let me know. Are stickers or decals still a thing? I mean, do you put them on your truck? Is there any particular favorite one that you have? Leave a comment, I'd be curious to know. Also, real quick, I do have 2 additional channels. Robmotive FST, all about my 2021 Toyota Tundra with that V8. And Robmotive JT, all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Check them out, and if you're interested, why not subscribe? Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.